Hello everyone, we're back again with another installment in the Going Digital series. In the previous video we made our patterns, and the next step will be simulating them in 3D. These overall shorts that I sketched are patterned here. I'm going to send the pattern to Vidya, which will virtually sew the pieces together. Now, we can use what we've learned in previous videos to apply the correct materials and fabric textures to this garment. Okay, now that that's done, we need to make sure that these shorts actually fit. Using the fit indicators here, like body distance and elongation, I can double check the garment fits as it should. These maps can show us areas of unnecessary stress or unnecessary ease in the garment. If we had any issues with the fit, the CAD Assyst and Vidya programs are fully synchronized with one another, so any adjustments in CAD will update in Vidya. We also have the option to add in appliques, buttons, buttonholes, and seam textures to make it look more realistic. For these shorts, I'm going to add in some specialty stitches, a zipper, buttons, and appliques. The synchronization features come in handy here because when I add appliques in like this one, the placement is automatically marked on the pattern. Vidya also has the option to play around with different lighting and backgrounds, just as you would be able to do in a real photo shoot. I'm going to change the background to a yellow leather to make this garment stand out. I'm also going to turn off the avatar so we can focus on just the garment. Alright, this is starting to look a lot more like my original sketch now. We are still missing the blouse that goes with these shorts, so I'm going to make use of the mix and match feature in the program. This allows me to layer already simulated garments onto my avatar. For a final touch, I'm going to add one of the prints that we created to this blouse. We were able to successfully develop an outfit from sketch to simulation without having to ever leave our desk. If we wanted to share this idea with another team member, we could export it as a movie, screenshot, or 3D object. For now, I'm going to export this as a 3D object. Making the other outfits sketched in our collection can be done by following the same steps that I outlined in previous videos. And you can see the final simulations here of the rest of the collection. Some of the key takeaways I got from creating a digital collection are that it allowed me to maintain higher levels of organization, quicker turnaround times, and be more sustainable with my materials. As the industry shifts towards finding options that drastically reduce lead times without compromising on creativity, digital design is a solution that benefits both designers and the brands they create for. Thanks for tuning in to my Going Digital series, and leave a comment if you have any questions or future series you'd like to see.